I was waiting for that last comment.
Can I kick it?
Then do so at once.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
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 Well, I'm going.
Go on then.
Can I kick it? To my tribe that flows in layers. Right now, Fife is a point sayer. At times, I'm a studio conveyor. Mr. Dinkins, would you please be my mayor? You'll be doing us a really big favor. Boy, this track really has a lot of flavor. When it comes to rhythms, Quest is your savior. Follow us for the funky behavior. Make a note on the rhythm we gave you. Feel free, drop your pants, check your hair. Do you like the garments that we wear? I instruct you to be the obeyer. A rhythm recipe that you savor. Doesn't matter if you're minor or major. Yes, the tribe of the game with a player. As you inhale like a breath of fresh air.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
You can.
Yes, you can.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
You can.
Yes, you can.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
Well, I'm gone.
Go on then.
Breathe, son. Keep breathing.
I'm okay. She's not. She was really sore.
In the sky,
Tried to get a record.
you get by. If you smile, your feet
Keep that head up. Wait, keep your chin up.
Want a moped?
smile and maybe
National record. How much? 69.
I'm at 69. I love that number.
205.
205?
light up your face with gladness. Hide every trace of sadness.